Good morning to all of my friends out there, or maybe it's afternoon or evening, wherever it is you're seeing this video. My name is Adita Lang from AditaLang.com, and I am here to help inspire you, and a big shout out to my Miami Moms blog moms, because I want to inspire them as well. Here's the thing. I'm giving you about 20 to 25 minutes of a workout, and I've done that throughout all the different videos that are in my client video series. And what I want you to do is I want you to incorporate it with some type of cardiovascular activity. So ideally what you would do is you could do this video one time and then go out and do some cardio and come back and do the video again. Or maybe you started with cardio, do the video and end with cardio, but mix it up. The more you mix it up, the more your body has to go, ooh, what's going on? And then your body reacts in the positive way. So that's what we want, okay? So just to give you a small idea, like right now I'm staring at my stairs. Going up and down the stairs is such an incredible workout, and it really doesn't take that long. 4 flights of stairs up and down should take you about 2 minutes, just to give you an idea, okay? And that is going to stir on your metabolism. It's going to kick up your heart rate, and it's going to kick up the fat burning. So even if you wanted to do 2 exercises and run up and down the stairs and come back and do 2 more exercises, that's a great workout too. So are you ready? We're gonna really try to jazz this up with a little bit more cardio than I usually do, but I just wanna keep you with your heart rate elevated as we do the whole thing, okay? So we're gonna start here. We're gonna start with both legs straight out, and all we're gonna do is go up and down. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Okay, well, not that simple. So I want you to push your knees out and squeeze your tush up, okay? And here's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna start adding a little bit more leg. So I want you to squat down and pull up. Now, the key to perfect exercise is to make it incredibly intentional. So you can sit here and just kind of go halfway through the moves, and you're not gonna get much out of it, but you can then push your knees out, squeeze your tush up as you're doing this move, and all of a sudden it turns into like a really big deal. And that's what I would like to see you do. So now from here, we're gonna pull our knee up and pull it up. There you go. So you're squatting down, you're pulling up. That's it. Good, 4 more. 3, 2, one more time. And 1, hold it down right here. And then just go down and up. That's it. So small little bursts of cardio with a little bit more strength training equals lots of calories burned, because we gotta be efficient. And as you can tell, I'm already sucking wind. Good thing going here, okay? 1 more, and bring that up. Okay, bring those legs right into the center. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna start with just a tiny little jog. Abs are nice and tight. I want your chest up, your shoulders back and down. That's it, just move. 1 more time, and then bring it down and pull the heel up and down. Pull it up and step back. Up and step back. There you go. Up, step back. Now, up, take it to the toe, come down. Up, take it to the toe, come down. Yep. Up, take it to the toe. There you go. Abs are in tight, shoulders back. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Hold it here. Down and up. Your back leg leads. You want to bend it almost 90 degrees. This front leg, the knee is right over the ankle, not the toes. We want to keep the stress away from the knees. 1 more time, and bring that center. Oh, amazing, good. Let's take a small breather. Arms out. Keep the legs moving. And I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades back and bring them forward. Squeeze them back. We need to keep our body upright the whole time. If you're one of those moms right now working at a desk and slouching over, I need to get the muscles trained so they pull you up. You lead from your chest. Your shoulders always stay back. Press it back. There you go. 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Excellent job. Good. Move that out. Let's take it back into just a little tiny jog. We're not going to do it for long. Remember, small bursts. That's what we're up for, because we're making this efficient. Okay? There we go. Come back to center. Now, kick it out and just tap. Kick it out and tap. That's it. Abdominals are super tight. Your chest is up, your shoulders are back. The more you tighten all this, that means these muscles have to work, and then you burn more calories. Now up on the toe and take it down. Excellent, come up. Up on the toe, take it down. There you go. Take that down. Good job. And press down. That's it. Up and push that down. Bending that back knee 90 degrees. Keeping this front knee from falling over the toes. One more. Press that up. Now hold it here. Take it down and up. There you go. Full inhale, full exhale. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Oh, shake that out. There we go. Okay. Have you heard of a burpee? Now, there's all sorts of burpees going on out there. We're gonna do a little bit of a modified burpee, my friends, but we're still gonna make it powerful, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna stand in front of a chair, just like I'm doing. Hands are out. Let's squat. So you sit, not too far. Come up, come forward, 1 push-up, walk back, come up, sit down. There you go. Now, let's take that push-up wider this time, okay? So come out, hands wide, push up, press back. Come up, sit, yes. Walk it out, wide push-up, yes. And up, take it back. Abdominals are in nice and tight. Now, let's say you can't do that push-up, no big deal. Take it out, drop the knees, yep. Come back, bring it up, sit, stand, take it out. Drop to the knees if you need to, up, press it back, and out, sit, yes, and take it out, nice and wide. 1 more time, bring it up, take it out, and we're gonna stay right here. Drop to the knees, abs are in tight, and press it down and up. Abdominals are solid. You're working your chest towards the floor, but looking with your eyes to the ground too. This way you don't stress out your neck. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job. Sit back in child's pose. Oh, we gotta get some stretching in here. See, we're warmed up now. I would hope you're warmed up. You got the blood flowing, good thing. And so now, giving a little stretch in here is good because you can actually really stretch the muscles. They're not cold. So grip your fingers into the floor, downward facing dog. Push the tailbone back as far as you can. Right leg goes up. And you're gonna bring that leg forward, opening up the foot, and set it down. So, your goal here is that both hip bones are parallel to the floor as much as they can. Lift your chest up just a tiny bit. Relax that back foot. And you can feel it deep in that right hip. Deep. I mean really deep, depending on what you've been doing during the day. Anyways, there we go. Now, open up those hands, take it back again. Tailbone high to the sky. Other leg goes up. Big deep breath. And exhale, bring that down. Set yourself down. Excellent. Oh, very good. Full inhale, full exhale. And then bring that back up again. Curl the toes under and press it back. I want you to walk back towards your feet. Allow your upper body to hang down just a little bit. You can grab onto your elbows if you want to, if not fingertips to the floor. Now abdominals are super tight, and bring it up nice and slow. And bring that up. Okay, now, let's take this chair. We're gonna use it to our advantage. So you're gonna sit up to the front edge of that chair. Okay, body is super tall. Now this, most important part of the workout, because if you start to slouch, you're gonna miss out on so many calorie burning opportunities. So pull yourself up really tall. This knee comes in and I want you to push it forward. Press in and out. There you go, full inhale, full exhale. Chest is tall. Now as you push the heel, you wanna feel your quadricep, top of your thigh, tighten up. You got 4, 3, and the minute you slouch, you gotta pull it up. 2, 1 more, and 1. Great job, bring that down. Other leg, pull that leg up, sit up really tall, and press through the heel. Full inhale, full exhale. That's it. Abdominals are really, really tight. There you go, shoulders back. Full inhale, full exhale. 4 more. 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Bring that down. Good. Now let's sit deeper into the chair, cross the foot on the knee, big deep breath, tall, and exhale. Press that down. Lead with the chest. And take that up and other side. So in theory, if you wanted to maybe jump rope or do stairs or maybe run around the house, this would be a good time. You do that and then you come back to me. And if not, you just keep doing what we're doing. And now come up. Okay, so we're gonna do squats again. Got the chair behind us. Press down. I want you to lightly touch the chair and pull yourself right back up. Now the key to this is that your weight is on your heels, your toes are gripping deep into the shoes, okay? You're sitting your tush way back, just like if you were trying to sit on a child's chair. All the way down there. Abdominals are in tight. There we go. Press it back and pull up. Now, take it back and pull the knee up. Touch the chair, pull it up. There you go. Abdominals are tight. Your chest is always looking forward. Press up. And you have to think about your eyes. Because if right now you're staring at the floor, that means you're gonna roll your shoulders forward. Your body tends to go in the direction your eyes are going. So in order to keep yourself up tall, look forward. There we go. 4 more. 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Good, let's sit down again. I like this. Okay, sitting towards the front edge of the chair. Again, really, really tall with the body. I want you to try to cross your leg and then don't. Bring it up and back down. Press it up, back down, good. Again, really tall. Press up and down. You've got 4, 3, 2, one more time, and 1, other leg. And press that up, good. Take it up and back down. Press up, you got it. Now keep those abdominals tight. We need that core to engage, it's really important. Pressing it up. Pull up and down, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Okay, guess what? We're gonna do this again. But now this time we're gonna squat, and I want you to kick your leg to the side and squat, and I want you to look. Look where you're gonna kick, and kick your leg out to the side and squat. And kick that leg out. Squat. Kick that leg out. Good. Squat. Kick it out. Oops, I almost fell. It's when you don't focus. You've got to focus your eyes on the spot you're going to go for. There we go. Press it out. Yes. And out. 1 more time. Press out. Good. And bring it right back down. We do like the chair, don't we? Okay. Press it out. Chest is nice and tall, and I want you to stretch forward. Full inhale, full exhale. Hopefully I'm still on the screen. I think I am. And bring it out. Flex the other foot, push it out. Press forward, lead with the chest. That's it. There you go. And bring this up. Now, let's take this chair and let's face it backwards. Okay? Here we go. Here's what I want you to do. We're just gonna start leaning, abs in tight, real tall. I want you to turn this toe out, and I want you to squeeze your glutes up. Now, most of your weight should be in that leg. This chair is here strictly for balance. And if you could hold on with no hands or with 2 fingers, even better. Looking straight ahead, keeping those abdominals held in tight, and again, your toes are turned out. That's it. You've got 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Bring that down. Excellent. Other leg. Turn those toes out and press it up. Again, keeping it light on the chair, but it's there for you. Keep turning those toes out. Keep pulling in those abdominals. And remember, chest is lifted. It's aiming away from you. That's it. Full inhale, full exhale. You've got 4 and 3, 2, 1 more time, and 1. Good. Oh, shake that out. Oh, we like that. We like that. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. The chair may not be totally stable, and that's okay. What I want you to do is take your hands, shoulder distance, back up just a little bit, lift up from your toes, and you're gonna bend your elbows slightly and push up. Now, the key to this, You want to feel like the chair is stable, so you got to push your weight into the chair to keep it stable. The other thing is elbows need to touch your t-shirt. You're working your triceps. So they touch your t-shirt, they push back. Very good. Make sure your chair cannot push forward. It's stable. That's why mine is on my yoga mat. And you don't want to be too far away from your mat. I mean, from the chair, sorry. You don't want to be too far away from the chair because then you'll definitely push the chair. So you really want your body weight over the chair. You're trying to aim your chest towards the chair. 4 more. 3, 2, one more time, and 1. And guess what? You can do that on a kitchen counter too. That works just as well, okay? Okay, what are we doing next? We're gonna take those legs apart. I want you to bend this leg, and I want you to pull these toes up. And first, we're starting with a stretch. So you're gonna lean over this leg right here. Again, abdominals are nice and tight. Now, come back to center. You've gotta sit your hips way back, arms come up, and I want you to lift with just that one leg and sit back. You've got to sit back. There we go. Full inhale, full exhale. Sit it back. Excellent. 4, 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Bring that knee to center. Just kind of bend your knees a little bit, and let's round your back and press it down flat. Round it. Now if you could get a little bit of an arch in it, even better. Round it, and then press it down. So you're moving from the pelvis, and that in turn is moving your spine. 1 more, and bring that up. There we go. We're gonna bend this other leg, toes come up. Sit into it. Now, take your body over. First, it's a stretch. Now come center, arms are up, chest is up. And now you lift and you sit your hips back. You've got to think about it because you're not just bending the knee, you are aiming backwards. Sit those hips back. That's it, yes. Sit back. Abdominals super, super tight. You've got 4, 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Good, come back to center. Let's round our back up and down one more time. Oh, this was great. See, I don't know about you, but I'm already breaking out into a sweat. And so now, if I go and run my stairs or go jump rope or something like that, it's just gonna finish this off nice. 1 more. Excellent, round it all the way up. Let's take our shoulders, move them back. Round back. Now, if you have that posture where your shoulders naturally rolled forward, I need you to work on that, my friends. So you're gonna do that by squeezing your shoulder blades like we did earlier and by rolling your shoulders backwards. You gotta start opening up the chest and getting the little muscles between your shoulder blades to kick in and hold your shoulders back. 1 more, and hold that down right here. Keep it down. Take the arm across the chest. Pull it in with the other arm, and at the same time, push the shoulder down. There you go. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Arm comes across, pull it in. That's it, push that shoulder down. Yes, now a couple last things here. Take that chin, bring the chin into the chest. Full inhale, full exhale. Holding it here, turn your chin slightly over. Your elbows have fallen. And now do the same thing on the other side. Back to center. And slowly bring that up. Let's take our ear to our shoulder and push this other shoulder down. Excellent. And now switch sides. There you go. And one last thing, hands go behind your back, pull them back. I want you to squeeze your shoulders back and pull them up as much as you can. This is a great stretch to do throughout the day, by the way. Just PS. There we go. And let that go. Have a fabulous day. Incorporate this with some cardio. You can also take any of my other videos if you wanted to and do a little bit of cardio, and then pick 2 random videos and put them together. The more variety you have in your fitness program, the better it's going to be for you. And if you need a few more ideas, check me out at www.aditalang.com. That's ADITALANG.com. Have a great day. Bye for now.